Watch frontals. Fading frontal. Soaks, watch your health. Watch frontals here, through boss. Get to purple soon. Scoot. Big move. Blaze. Watch frontals. Firestorm. Fading frontal.
Personals in
Soap. Spread out. Watch frontals through box. Child sealed. Get ready to stop damage. Stop damage now, actually. And off heal if you can. Scoot. Big move. No damage. Dispels. Watch frontals. You can go now. Watch your feet. Do Firestorm.
Gateway in A.
Get to the gate. Dispel. Look at your spot. Second wave. Communities, personals. Watch blazes. Everybody in. Pre-spread for blazes. Play smart. Healing ads are up. Do not blaze them. Boss is moving. Spread out, watch your feet, do not blaze out. Res.
Underneath the Colossi.
Cage it. Get in. Personals, watch your blade.
I'll grip the last one in 10 seconds.
There's Colossus. Rebuff tilt after the. Finish the dark.
Air frontal.
Back on boss, watch front. Do not blaze these ads. Watch your blazes. Watch your feet. On the burning.
Don't
Cage
soak.
it.
Stack.
Res. Personals. Get in. Watch your blazes. On the dark, everyone. Stop.
Watch frontal.
Blasting boss. Watch your blazes. Do not die. Watch front. Spell. Watch your blazes. No death. Alright, focus here.
Alright, just trying to remember where to go. Make sure we don't fuck up tornadoes. Even seed people. Look for the breath. Blaze. Tornadoes in 4. Tornadoes out. Out, far. One more set of blazes and meet up for seed 1.
Watch the blazes.
Watch your feet as you walk in.
Watch feet.
Get your shield and frick off. Lust. Alright. Corrupted, breath, and then blaze. Just
Feet.
always watching your feet. Corrupted spawning. Look for the breath here. Blaze. Back up. Tornadoes in 5. Don't get caught in the wrong spot. Tornadoes. Go. One more set of
need help?
blazes. Where's Parker when you can? Watch your feet.
60 seconds.
It's okay. Get your shield and then gate. After the roar till after the roar. Staying here. Watch so when he onks here. Rebuff him when he's up. Watch your feet. Again. Corrupted, breath, and then blaze.
Is that the second one, Alton? No, it's there. Come forward.
Breath. Watch the blazes. Back up. Tornadoes.
Almost.
Make sure you get to the edge. Out. Go far. Moody, man, you're so dumb.
Watch the blaze.
Meet up for seed 3.
Where's Moogie in 15?
Get your shield and then flip to the other side of the boss. You're
You
good.
drag and tell me when you need taunt, okay?
Alright. Same thing. Gundy seed, breath, and then blaze. We can still do this. Just stay alive. It's up.
You can res Moogie.
Breath. Res Moogie.
We
Blaze.
swap.
Dropping.
Tornadoes in 4. Put these in a good spot. Alright, one more set of blaze, and then immunes. Don't get hit by anything.
Just immune.
Immunes?
Immune now.
Just drop seed wherever.
Good job,
Let's
guys.
fucking
Let's
go.
fucking go.
Party. This was even more insane than our kill. This should have had to do triple tornado back to back to back.
No, I literally, I think someone laid me.
I'll lay you right now.
Party. I
You
should have said
actually-
something.
I will
you
fucking
actually
slay
hit
you right
me.
now, party.
I appreciate it, but you actually trolled me so hard. I sat there for like